say that Right Honorable remove from office the majority leader of this house.
That scene at the chambers culminated in the removal of the former Speaker Justin Okonoboh. Trouble started when the member representing Akoko-Edo 2 constituency, Emmanuel Agbaje, notified the House that 16 members have signed for the impeachment of the Speaker, which according to the rules gives the go-ahead to remove any alleged indicted member as Speaker. Thereafter, the members swung into action to impeach the Speaker with much resistance from some that didn't sign. The 16 members demanding the impeachment of the Speaker, however, succeeded, and the pro-tem Speaker, a member representing Issaco West 2 constituency, Silvanus Iraga, called for nomination, which brought in the member representing Akoko-Edo 1 constituency, Kabir Adjoto, as the new Speaker.
Honorable hereby nominate Honorable Adjoto. I hereby nominate Honorable Adjoto representing Akoko-Edo 1 as the Speaker. I so do.
I, Honorable Alhaji Adjoto Kabiru,
do solemnly
swear
that I will be faithful
and
bear the true allegiance
to
the Federal Republic of Nigeria.
The House nominated Victor Eduro as the new Deputy Speaker, while Roland Asoro was made the majority leader. In his inaugural speech, the new Speaker, Kabir Adjoto, dissolved all the committees and said the move to impeach the former Speaker became necessary in order to reposition the House, which they allege has been ridiculed in the eyes of the people. The new Speaker said there were allegations against the former Speaker, which will be investigated.
Former Speaker, his level of incompetence cannot be described in words. He continued to adjourn Edo State House of Assembly for selfish reasons without due regard to our calendar, our sitting calendar. In the month of July, we went on holidays for 6 weeks without any reason.
Some members commented on the impeachment of the former Speaker.
We had a selfish, corrupt, ineffective leadership entrenched here in Edo State out of error. And today we have said no. Enough is enough.
Meanwhile, the House has, in a unanimous resolution, suspended the former Speaker Justin Okonoboh, former Deputy Speaker Elizabeth Ativier, former Majority Leader Foley Ogedengbe, and the member representing Esan North East 2 constituency Desmond Igbaz for 3 months pending the determination of investigation of allegation levied against them. The new Speaker, Deputy Speaker, Majority Leader and other members resumed their various offices before adjourning till Tuesday.
16 of us signed that impeachment. Where is it? The impeachment notice. You can flank it for them to
just hold it up, sir.
We are now 19. 3 people have joined. That means we are 16, 17, 18, 19.
In the meantime, the former Speaker, Justin Okonoboh, Deputy Speaker, Elizabeth Ativier, and Majority Leader Foley Ogedengbe have described the impeachment as null and void. According to them, it was an exercise executed on a faulty ground.
With all that has happened now, the following members are suspended so there will be peace in this assembly indefinitely. The first one here is Honorable Kabir Adjoto, Honorable Victor Eduro, Honorable Monde Egalwa, Honorable Roland Asoro, Honorable Peter Iraga, Honorable Sunday Agedo, Honorable Emmanuel Agbaje, who started it, and Honorable Sunday Usazende.
Those who came with alien character, that is not the character of assemblymen and women, must be checked.
It's just a plan of some few members whose sole aim of coming to this House of Assembly is what to put in their pocket and not to serve the people of Edo State.
Efosa Wangwe reporting.